You know, the reason I want to pay an Instagram influencer who's like a good looking ab dude or a booty chick is because I know 4,000 people will show up to my dealership and 3 of them might buy a car. And I'm willing to make that bet. I have to at least taste it. I want to see what it looks like. How are you not curious?
You touched on the third place.
Let me tell you how you do it. You go into Instagram, you search a hashtag like whatever, you just search. Actually you search, I'm sorry, you go into Instagram, there's a search bar up top, you search by location. So you put in your zip code, your town, it shows you the 12 most trending pictures within a 1 mile radius of your goddamn town. You then look at all the pictures, I promise you 7 of them are attractive, scantily clad. The other 5 are something else, but you click on them, you see how many followers they have. They're global, it's not like all their followers are from Alpharetta, you know, like they're all over the place, but you click on them and then there's a triple little button in the top right corner, that's how you message people, you click it, you DM the person and you say, I own a car dealership, I'd like to pay you to show up at my car dealership this Saturday from 12 to 4 and you tell your Instagram followers. They'll reply. They'll say how much. You say, I have no idea, some weird guy told me to do this. How much is it? They give you an answer and then you take a risk. You may lose $600. You may crap your pants when they ask you for $50,000 and you realize how real this is. And you keep playing and then you try and then you learn. When you're a pioneer, you have to taste it. There's no report. There's no white paper. There's no modeling mixed metrics that are gonna teach you how that's gonna work. When you're the first explorer, you have to taste the berries and hopefully they're not poisonous.